I literally made over $1,000 from Facebook just by reposting reels. And the best part of it is that what I didn't even create these reels myself. I just downloaded other people's reels and then re-upload them. And just like that, I was able to make over $1,000. And in this video, I'm basically going to walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how you yourself can actually make this money off Facebook. Because Facebook now monetizes globally, which means that what no matter which country you are, you can actually start making money. And to make money from it, you need to give something to Facebook. And that's why in this video, I'm going to share this simple strategy with you. Now, in order to make this work, there are basically 3 steps we actually need to follow. Now, the first step is basically we actually need to look for viral reels. Now, when it comes to looking for viral reels, you don't have to stress yourself over these viral reels. There are so many social media platforms out there where you can actually get these viral reels, such as you can get them on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, or whatever social media out there. You can actually outsource these short videos from there. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go over to TikTok and actually show you how you can get these short videos that we're actually going to monetize on Facebook without having any issue with it. So guys, now that we are into TikTok, the first thing is basically we need to get a video we want to react to. Now basically we'll come over here and then search for the video we want to react to. Now for the sake of this video, I'll just come over and now you can see here some of the trending information here. So for example, let me say I'm going for funny football videos. Now just click on this one here. Now in your own case, you don't have to go for funny football videos. You can basically go for any sort of funny thing that you actually like. Now basically we'll take it and then let's take a look at it. Now this one has over 50,000 likes. So basically what we are looking for is that what we are looking for videos that has a minimum of 50,000 likes and above. Now this one here actually do that. Now let's see. So you can see these are funny videos that you can actually take. Now the next thing is basically click on here and then click on save, since TikTok allows you to download their videos legally. Now you can see the video is downloading and you just have to wait for it to finish downloading. Now once the video is done downloading, the next thing is basically you go over to your video editor. Now for the sake of this video, I'll be using the VN video editor. Now VN video editor looks just like CapCut, but the difference is that what CapCut gives you a watermark on their free version and VN doesn't give you any watermark, and that is the advantage of it. Now basically, okay, so here's a video I was actually doing. Here's another one I was working on before I'm actually recording this video right now. So basically, let me just go back. Now the next thing you need to do once you come over to your VN video editor is simply click on the plus. Now in case you don't know how to use VN video editor, let me know that in the comment section and I'm going to give you a video that I've actually created on a step-by-step guide on how you can actually edit videos using this video editor. Now let's see, basically click on it, says new project, and then come over here and then you import the video that you just downloaded and then go next. Now basically from here you can just play the video and then now I just want to increase it and see if it has a sound effect. Now you see, now what you basically need to do here is basically, now let's play it again and see. Now here is your work. You see this point whereby the ball actually blasts the guy. Now what you do from here is basically you click on tab to add sticker and then you come over here, element, and then you basically look for some effect to actually add to it. Now basically what you need to do is simply click on Jiffy here. Now once you click on Jiffy, click on the search and then click on funny. Now you're going to get so many funny effects that you can actually use here. So for example, let me look for something that I want to use. Now for example, let me say I want to use this lady's Jiffy for it. Now basically we'll get it and then we'll place it here at the point whereby the ball hits the guy. So now let's go back and play it again. Now you see, you just add this Jiffy and then you make sure that what it doesn't go past that particular clip. Now another thing you need to do is simply, you see the sound effect that actually came with your video, make sure you remove it. Now basically what you need to do is simply mute their audio that they added and you can go download any sort of football sound effects, football soundtrack out there, or maybe you can download another video and then take the sound from that video and add it to this particular one. Now you see the point whereby the ball actually hits the guy. What you need to do at those points is basically you need to add a sound effect of laughter or something that will actually go with it. And in case you don't want to go through that stress, well, if you don't want any other further stress, you can actually leave their audio as well. But me, in most cases, I always advise you remove their audio. So when I'm removing their audios, what do I do? Now here's what I basically do. Now for example, if I want to remove their audio, then I'll have to add my own audio. Now to do this, I'll come over here and then you can come over to TikTok You can come over to TikTok and then look through other videos, and you're going to get other sound effects. Now you see, you can just download this particular video right now. Now once you download this one, you basically take the sound from this one and put it on the other one. Now once you import this other clip that you downloaded, you basically come over here and then click on where it says extract audio. Now you click on extract audio and you see the audio will actually be removed. Now once it's removed, then you drag it to the on top this other clip that we added earlier on. Now you see we have that audio on this clip, and then you come over to this one, you click on extract and then you delete it off. Now basically you remove the old one, and then now you add a new soundtrack alongside your laughing emojis. As simple as this. Now you can just do it over and over again. Now let me just show you from my other edit, and you see that I'm doing the same thing. Save the project and exit. Now let me show you here from this one I'm doing for Ronaldo. You see, now you see, you can see that is basically what I'm actually doing over here as well. So now I'm assuming that what you've actually edited this video and that. Now here's one advice I'll give you. You can even make this edit more unique so that what the video will look 100% yours by basically reacting to it. Now instead of just editing it like this and then just adding a different sound effect and stuff, one thing you can basically do is simply you can basically create this sort of videos. Now let me come over to my other profile. Now you can see here's me reacting to a forest trade chart that you can actually see here. Now you can basically do this sort of reaction whereby you will show the football video down here whilst your face is at the top. Now but if you don't want to show your face, doing the previous one I just shared with you right now is 100% okay. Now once you are done with the edit, now let me just show you how you can do the exporting. Now once you are done, you basically come over to the top here. So let me delete this other clip that we added off since we don't need it. Now you can basically come over here to the top, and then resolution, make sure you select 1080p and then click on export. Now once you click on export, you just have to give it some few minutes and then your video will be fully exported. Now this is basically what you need to do. Now make sure that what you repeat this, you make sure you add stickers at almost every funny point in the video to add a bit of reaction to it in case you are not adding your face. Now the video is done exporting. Now the next thing you need to do after a video is done exporting is basically you head over to your Facebook page. Now let me just show you how you do that. Now let me just come over to Facebook. Now basically this is a different Facebook page, and you can see it's here. It's been a while actually uploaded on this one. However, I'll still get over 2,000 views despite not uploading in a while now. So basically once you come over to the page, now the next thing you need to do is simply click on over here and then come over to the profile. Now once you come over to the profile, you basically come over here and then click on where it says reel. Now you basically upload that video you just downloaded. Now here is it. You just edited. No, this is not it. The one we just exported right now. Let me come over to gallery and then come over to VN. Okay, maybe it's still processing, so it's not yet in our gallery. So basically at times it takes time for you to come over to your gallery, and at times it doesn't. So one thing about VN that makes it better is that you just click on where it says Facebook and then you come over to where it says Reels. Now you see here is it. You can just come over here and then click on next, and you basically add title. So let me just say funny football videos. Funny football. And then just come over here to put hashtag football, hashtag Neymar. Just put a little bit of hashtag. They are not really necessary, but then you just put them there. Now once you have it all set like this, you basically click on where it says share. Now once you do that, you basically wait and then wait for your reel to finish uploading. Now basically our reel is uploaded. Now let's see. So you can see it right here. You can see our reel just got uploaded and there's no problem, no copyright, nothing. And with these funny videos, you are never going to get copyrighted. Now once you upload the videos, the next thing is basically you need to do at least upload 2 to 3 videos every single day. Now the importance of this is that when you upload more videos, it will actually give you the room to reach more people faster. So basically uploading 2 to 3 videos every single day will help you grow faster. Now once you keep uploading, within a short period of time, you are going to receive an invite from Facebook that what you've qualified for monetization, and as simple as that. And the truth is that what, these football videos, they get a lot of engagement, which makes it easy for you to get monetized. So guys, this is basically how easy it is for you to actually make $1,000 off Facebook just by posting reels. You don't have to suffer yourself recording this video. You just have to download already trending videos that are already getting a lot of engagement on Instagram and TikTok, and you bring it over here, upload it, as simple as that.